This video will look at printing your project. This includes formatting your Gantt chart for printing and printing the task notes. You may wish to print your Gantt chart to share with some of your colleagues, and to do this you just need to go up to the File tab, drop down to Print. Here you can select the number of copies as well as changing the printer you want to print to. Within Settings you can select whether you want to print the entire project, only certain dates, certain pages, or certain dates and pages. And here you can change the dates and the pages you want to print. You can select whether you want it in landscape or portrait, and you can also change the size. Within Page Setup, you can also change to portrait or to landscape. You can adjust the scaling. You can change the paper size. Within the Margins tab, this is where you can change the size of your margins. You can create headings. So for example, I can create a left aligned heading called Arranging a Party. I can create a footer. So currently by default it has the page number, but to the right I also want to insert the current date. I won't want to change the legend, and the legend is what appears down here in your printout. So currently it has the project name as well as the date. And in the View tab here, I can change if I want to only show certain columns. I could also here, if I select this button here, it will include any notes I've created. And then all I need to do is press OK. But currently you can see there's 12 pages that will be printed. And if I go along, you can see that this might show too much detail, and I might only want to fit that to one page. And to do this, what you need to do is change your formatting of your Gantt chart. So if you go up to View, in the Gantt chart view, you can select within the timescales. Currently it's showing every hour, and if I want to sort of squash that down slightly, I can change now to days. This shows all the bars in a one-page layout. You could also use the zoom out, zoom in button to do a similar thing. So when I now go up to the print preview, you can see actually it's fitting to one page now, and the bars are all displaying nicely on that one page.